Hello everyone, myself Rutuja Ramesh Mustapare. Today I want to talk to you about the that subject is that anatomy and physiology. From the anatomy and physiology, I choose the lymphatic system and the immune system. They are connected to each other because of that's why the I'm taking this both subject are combined. First of all, the immune system and the lymphatic system are the closely linked and work together to define the body against the disease and infection. There are the some first of all I'm telling about the what is the lymphatic system and what are the components of the lymphatic system. A network of vessels, organs, and tissue that transport limbs, fluids, and throughout our body, which are helped to defend against the infections, viruses, and some microorganism, and also from the diseases also by filtering out the harmful substance and the cells. Um, they the lymphatic systems are absorb the fats and fat solubles like vitamins and from the digestive system. We have the lymphatic systems are the remove the excess fluids, proteins, and waste product from the tissues. Right now I'm telling about the what is the immune system. It is in a complex network of the cell and tissues and also the organs that work together and define the body against the infections and the diseases, including with the white blood cells. We also we also call them WBCs. From the WBCs, the leukocytes, also the lymph nodes, spins, thymus, and the lymphoid tissues. Uh, they are defined and recognizing and attacking the immune systems are the attacking and recognize the pathogens, bacteria, viruses, and other foreign particles, and they are produce the antibodies to neutralize and remove the pathogens. What is the connection between lymphatic system and immune system? The lymphatic systems are transport the lymph fluid for to contain the immune cells such as the lymphocytes and to the lymph and lymph nodes where they are activated and attack to the pathogens. Lymph nodes are filter out pathogens and other foreign substance from the lymph fluids, which are then destroyed by the immune cells. The activated immune cells such as the thymus cells or the B cells or T cells, such as the bone marrow cells and thymus cells. They travel through our lymphatic vessels to reach the sites of the infections or the diseases. Lymphatic system helps to distribute the immune system and antibodies through the bodies, which defend against the infections and our disease and the diseases. The lymphatic systems are play a crucial role in the functioning of the immune system by transporting immune cells and filtering the lymph fluids, transferring the lymph and filtering the lymph fluids and the filter out the pathogens. Mm, and also the remove the wastage product. Also they are remove the wastage product. The immune system in the turns via they are release the lymphatic system to disturb the cells and antibodies to define the body against the infections and the disease. How the lymphatic systems are work, that's the mechanism of the lymphatic system. Vessels are present from the blood, the wall of the blood vessels are very thin. Because of that, the plasma will be leak out from that thin wall. That plasma leak out plasma are accumulated in the tissue. That's not happen the because of don't to because of the that plasma or that fluid also called as extracellular fluid, which is called as a lymph. That lymphs are fluid which collected by that lymph, and they are returned to the lymph vessels. By these lymph vessels, they are going through the growing in the lymph nodes, circulate. They are going to the circulatory system by the using of lymph vessels, to by the using of lymph node, they are filter out, and of they after finally they are going into the circulatory system. They are very important because of the these lymph or the extracellular fluids are contain the nutrients, glucose and amino acid, which are very important for our body and for our nutritions. The lymphatic system also called as a drainage system, because they are work as the leak out lymph return to the circulatory systems. These lymphatic system also called the subsystems of circulatory systems. There are the functions of that functions of the lymphatic system is that fluid balance, absorption of our fat. Immune system, it is made up of the network of cells and tissue which the organs that work together to define the body against the infections of the disease. There are the key components of the immune system, which are the lymphoid organ. I am already telling you that what is that lymphoid organs. Second is that WBCs, RBCs, which are containing the T cells and B cells. Also, they are contain the lymphatic vessels, cytokines, antibodies which are the protect from the antigens to our bodies. These antigens are antibodies are produce the proteins by B cells, and through recognize the binding of specific pathogens. Also have a complementary system, the group of protein that work together to help to eliminate the pathogens. Also, they are elimination of they are remove the pathogen and foreign substance from our body. Um the diseases of the lymphatic system, such as the lymphedema, which is having the swelling of our arms and shoulders, um, of the lymphatic vessels, lymphoblasts, lymphblasto leukoma, which is a cancer of the white blood cells. Um, Also the lymphangioma, which is having the malignant, or also the tumor which is a restricted tumor, also called as is a benign new benign, which is the restricted tumor. After that, lymph angioscleroma, which is a malignant tumor. These are the diseases of the lymphatic system. After the diseases of the immune system, such as the immune deficiency, which is the weak of the immune system, or increase the infection. Second is that autoimmune diseases, which is the immune system which is attacked to the body of our own cells and tissues, such as the lupus diseases name. Third is that allergy, which is the almost common or uncommon also, which is the overreaction of harmful substance, such as the dust mites. The these For example, disorders of the immune system, for example, HIV, AIDS, arthritis, also pollen, dust. dust mites. This is the example of the immune systems. uh, now the I'm ending of that part of the immune system and the lymphatic system. Thank you so much.